we will discuss some more problems of centroid of composite figures. So now this is a composite figure. The figure's dimension is like this. So this is a rectangle. This is a semicircle of radius 2.5 centimeter. This is an isosceles triangle. 2.5 centimeter plus 2.5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is the base and 5 centimeter is the height. So this is the figure. Now first of all, we have to decide the reference lines from where we have to find out the centroid of the figure. So first of all, we have taken a reference line along y-axis like this. This is a reference line, and other reference line we have taken like this along x-axis. So we have taken these two reference lines. One is along x-axis and other one is along y-axis. Now we have to divide this figure in well-known shapes. So first is this, second is semicircle, and third one is isosceles triangles. So now for x bar, summation ax upon summation a, and y bar is equal to summation ay upon summation a, as told earlier videos. So now we have to make a table. So serial number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 figures. Shape is like this. First is rectangle, second is semicircle, and third one is isosceles triangle like this. Now the area A. So A1 is the area of this rectangle. So this 10 into 5. So 10 into 5, this is 10 into 5. A2 is pi by 4 into pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2 for a semicircle. So pi into 2.5 ka square divided by 2. This is the area of the semicircle. And third one is the area of the triangle. So 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base, total base 5 centimeter, and height is also 5 centimeters. So this is 1 by 2 into 5 into 5. And pi r square by 2 is the area of the semicircle. So this is 50. This is pi into 2.5 ka square divided by 2. So this will give you 9.817, and this is 25 divided by 2. So this is 12.5. Now x. So x is the distance of the centroid of figure from y-axis. This is y-axis. So from this line, centroid of the figure is x along x-axis. So x1 is the centroid of first figure. So x1 is the centroid of first figure from this reference line. So here it is at 5 centimeter, half of this, and from here 2.5 will be added to this. So it is at 2.5 plus 5 is equal to 7.5 centimeter. And x2 is equal to for this. So centroid will be lying at this point. So this is at 4r by 3 pi from this side. 4r by 3 pi from this side. But we have to take the distance from this side, this reference line. So it is equal to r minus 4r by 3 pi. We are requiring this much distance. This much distance is r minus 4r by 3 pi. This is r minus 4r by 3 pi. This much is. So this is r minus 4r by 3 pi means 2.5 minus 4 into 2.5, 4r by 3 pi. So this is the distance. Now x3 is 2.5 and 5. So this is 10. So centroid of the triangle will lie over this line. This is the line of symmetry. So centroid of the triangle will lie over this line. So this line is at a distance from reference line at 10 centimeter. 2.5 here, 5 to here, and 2.5. So it is at 10 centimeter. Now y. Y is the distance of centroids from x-axis. Y is the centroid distance from x-axis. So y1 is for first figure. So from here it is at 2.5. For semicircle it is at this line. This line is also at 2.5 centimeter equal to radius. So y2 is also 2.5. And y3 is this much plus this h by 3. So this much is 5 centimeter plus 5 by 3. So 5 plus 5 by 3 is 6.67. So now ax and ay. So ax is, we have to calculate a1x1. A1x1 is 50. A1x1 is 50 into 7.5. So this is equal to 375. A2x2 is, first of all we have to find out x2. So x2 is 2.5 minus, within bracket, 4 into r divided by 3 pi. So this is 1.439 into 9.817. So this is equal to 9.817 into 1.439. So this is equal to 14.127. Now A3x3. So A3x3 is 12.5 into 10. So this is 125. Now A1y1. A1y1 is 50 into 2.5. So this is 125. And A2y2 is 9.817 into 2.5. This is 24.54, and A3Y3 is 12.5 into 6.67. This is equal to 83.375. Now from here, summation A, this is equal to, summation A is equal to 50 plus 9.817 plus 12.5. This will be equal to 72.317. 72.317 addition of this. Now summation AX, this is equal to 375 plus 14.127 plus 125. This is equal to 514.127, and summation AY, this is equal to 125 plus 24.54 plus 83.375. So this is equal to 232.915. Now X bar is summation AX upon summation A. So this will give you summation AX is 514.127 upon summation A is 72.317. So this will give you 514.127 divided by 72.317. This will be equal to 7.109. So this is X bar. Now Y bar is summation AY upon summation A. So this is equal to 232.915 divided by 72.317. So this will be equal to 232.915 divided by 72.317. So this will give you 3.22. So Y bar is 3.22 centimeter and 7.109 is X bar. So X bar is at from here, from Y axis, and Y bar is at from X axis. So it is at a distance 3.22. Y bar is 3.22 centimeter, and X bar is 7.109 centimeter here. So this is the centroid. This is the centroid. So here x bar is 7.109 and y bar is at 3.22 centimeter. So this is the solution of this problem. Now next problem we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you very much. Now the problem is to find out the centroid of this shaded area given in this figure. So this is a figure of a semicircle. From this semicircle, this portion is cut down. Then the remaining part is this, and for this shaded remaining part, we have to find out the centroid. So first of all, we have decided these reference lines along x-axis, along a y-axis. These reference lines we have decided. Now divide this figure into three parts. So first part is the semicircle from which these two portions has been cut down. That is, second part is quadrant. Quadrant is cut down of radius 3 and this triangle is also cut down. So remaining part is this. So for this, now we have to draw the table. So serial number 1, 2, 3. Shape is semicircle, quadrant and triangle. So the area of the semicircle is bigger. Semicircle is pi r square by 2. So pi r square, pi into r is 5. So pi r square by 2. This will give you 39.2699. Now area of the quadrant, which will be with minus sign because it is deducted from the semicircle. So with minus sign, pi r square by 4. R is the 3. So pi r square by 4. This will be minus 7.0685. Now A3 is the area of triangle, which is also deducted. So it is with minus sign. So half into base 3 into 7 height. So this is equal to minus 10.5. So summation of this is equal to 21.701. Now x is the distance from y-axis. X is the distance from y-axis of the individual centroids. So for this x1 for part 1. So centroid of the part 1 is at a distance of 4r by 3 pi from this y line. 4r by 3 pi. R is 5. So 4r by 3 pi is 2.122. And for quadrant, it is again 4r by 3 pi. R is 3. So 4r by 3 pi is 1.273. And for triangle, it is 1 by 3 of this side. So 1 by 3 of 3. It means it is 1 centimeter. So x1 is 4r by 3 pi, 2.122. And x2 is also for quadrant 4r by 3 pi, but r is 3. So 1.273. And x3 is 1 by 3 of 3 is 1 centimeter. Similarly, y is from x-axis. So y is the distances from x-axis. So for this part 1, y1 is from here, it is equal to the radius of the semicircle. So it is 5 centimeters. So y1 is 5 centimeter. Now for this quadrant, it is 4r by 3 pi from here. So 4r by 3 pi from here, and this much is the 7 centimeter. So from here, it will be 7 plus 4r by 3 pi. So it will be 7 plus 4r by 3 pi. And y3 is the 2 by 3 of 7 because it is measured from this smaller angle side. So it is 2 by 3 of 7. So 2 by 3 of 7 is this much. So 2 by 3 of 7. Now AX. AX is the A1X1. A1 is this and X1 is this much. So it will give 83.33. Now A2x2, A2 is minus 7.068 into 1.273 is equal to minus 8.997, and A3x3 is minus 10.5 multiplied by 1, so it is minus 10.5. So summation AX is sum of these with their sign to 63.83, and X bar is summation AX upon summation A. So 63.83 divided by 21.701. So it will give you 2.94 centimeter. So X bar for this figure is 2.94 centimeter. Now Y bar. For Y bar, we have to calculate AY, summation AY. So for this A1Y1, A1 is 39.2699 and Y1 is 5 centimeter. So this A1 into Y1 is 196.3495. Now A2 is minus 7.0685 and Y2 is 7 plus 4R by 3 pi. So this will be the 8.273. So this will give you minus 58.477, and A3Y3 is minus 10.5 into 2 by 3 of 7, so 14 by 3, so it will give you minus 49. So the summation AY is 88.87. Now Y bar is summation AY upon summation A. Summation AY is 88.87 and divide by summation A 21.701. So it will give 4.095 centimeter. So X bar for this is 2.94 centimeter and Y bar is 4.095 centimeter. So X bar is from this line at 2.94 and Y bar is from this line. So centroid will lie at a distance X bar 2.94 from this line and 4.095 from this line. So these are the answers. Okay, thank you. In this figure, we have to find out the centroid of this shaded area. So this shaded area is made by deducting these three figures from a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. From this rectangle, this triangle number 2, this triangle number 3, and this quadrant number 4 is deducted. Then this shaded area is made up. So we have to find out the centroid of this shaded area. So dimensions of this rectangle is 10 plus 10, 20. 20 is the width, and this 15 in this radius 20 of the quadrant. So 20 plus 15 is 35. So the total height of this side of the rectangle is 35 and 20 is this side. So this is a rectangle. From this rectangle, given shaded area is made by deducting this 2, 3 and 4. So we have given number 1 is to the rectangle. Whole rectangle is number 1. Number 2 is this triangle. Number 3 is this triangle. And number 4 is this quadrant. So now these reference lines are already given in this figure. These reference lines are already given in this figure. So now we have to make the table for our calculations. So serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the numbering given to the shapes. So different shapes. So number 1 is for rectangle. Second is triangle. Third is triangle. And fourth is quadrant. So now this rectangle, one side is 20 and the other 35. So total area is 700. Now A2 is of minus because this is deducted from the rectangle. So 1 by 2 into 15 this side and 10 this side. So 1 by 2, 15 into 10 is minus 75. And for this rectangle, 1 by 2, 10 into 10. So this is minus 50 and pi into r square divided by 4 for this quadrant. So this is minus 314.159 by pi r square by 4. Now x is the distance from y-axis of the centroids. So this is 20 side. So this will lie at 20 by 2 for rectangle. For this rectangle, from here it is at 20 by 2, so to 10. And x2 is for this. So this is from right angle side. So this is 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 is 3.33. And this is from here it is 2 by 3 of 10. And in this 10 will be added to measure from here. So here it is 10 plus 2 by 3 of 10. So 10 plus 2 by 3 of 10 is 16.67. And it is 4r by 3 pi. So r is 20. So 4r by 3 pi is 8.488. Now similarly y is from x-axis. So y is from x-axis. So for this rectangle, this side is 35. So from here it is 35 by 2 is equal to 17.5. And for this distance, this radius plus 2 by 3 of 15. From here it is 2 by 3 of 15. So 2 by 3 of 15 plus this much give the distance from here. So 20 plus 2 by 3 of 15. Similarly for this triangle, this is 25. So 25 plus 2 by 3 of 10. 25 plus 2 by 3 of 10. Similarly for this quadrant, this is 4r by 3 pi again. So 4r by 3 pi again 8.488. Now ax is a1 x1. So a1 is 700 and x1 is 10. So this is 7000. And a2 is minus 75 and x2 is 3.33. So this will give minus 249.75. And a3x3 is minus 50 into 16.67. So it will come out like this. And a4x4 is also minus 314.159 into 8.488. So this is equal to this, and summation of all these four, this will give 3250.17. Now x bar is summation ax upon summation a. So this is summation a 3250.17 divided by 260.841. So this will give x bar 12.46 centimeter. Now ay is a1 y1. So a1 is 700, y1 is 17.5. So this will multiply, will give 12,250, and a2 y2 minus 75 into this is. So this comes out as 30. 20 plus 2 by 3 of 15 will give 30. So 75 into 30. This is minus 2250. For a3y3 minus 31.67 into 50. So this will give like this. And a4y4 is minus 314.159 into 8.488. This will give like this. So on totaling these four, this value comes out 5749.92. So y bar is summation ay upon summation a is equal to 5749.92 divided by 260.841. So this will give 22.04 centimeter. So for this figure, x bar is 12.46 centimeter. This is from y-axis, and y bar is 22.04 centimeter. This is from y-axis. So these are the answers. Okay, thank you very much.